Hi, I want to show you how to flip and rotate photos on Google Pixel 9a. For that, open up Google Photos first and select photo you want to adjust. Now you're going to tap on this Edit button and then from Suggestions switch to Crop by swiping left. So here you can manually drag this line to rotate the photo. To flip, you need to use this third icon, like that. And to rotate 90 degrees, you need to use the second icon, and you can tap it as many times as you need to. Here you can crop the picture, and by tapping here, you can press and hold to preview your photo. Then, when you are done changing it, click Save button and choose either to save it, so like delete original and set this one instead, but you can always undo these changes, or save as copy, so your original won't change and this one will be saved additionally. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.